Hello, my beautiful learners. Welcome back to the channel, the place where English isn't just something you study, but something you live and breathe every day. Today we're diving into something truly practical and powerful. 10 smart and natural English phrases you can use to talk about your daily routine. Whether you're catching up with a friend, answering questions in an interview, or sharing a glimpse of your day online, these phrases will help you express yourself clearly and confidently. They're simple, real, and incredibly useful, designed to make your English sound fluent, natural, and modern. So let's walk through them together, step by step, just like we move through our daily routines. Ready to make your English a seamless part of your everyday life? Let's get started. 1. I usually start my day with, this is a beautifully natural way to describe how your mornings typically begin. It instantly communicates routine and habit without sounding stiff or repetitive. Rather than saying, every day I do, this phrase adds a smooth, conversational tone to your speech. For example, I usually start my day with a hot cup of coffee and some quiet time, creates a calm, relatable image. Alternatively, I usually start my day with checking my emails and planning my schedule, is ideal for both casual conversations and professional settings. It's a subtle but effective way to express the rhythm of your mornings. 2. I make sure to. This phrase emphasizes intentionality and commitment. It tells your listener that certain tasks or habits are a priority for you. Using I make sure to reflects discipline and reliability, making it perfect for describing healthy or productive routines. For instance, I make sure to drink enough water during the day shows attentiveness to well-being, while I make sure to spend 10 minutes reviewing my English notes demonstrates dedication to self-improvement. It's a strong and responsible expression, perfect for both personal and professional use. 3. I had to. Saying I had to, instead of the more basic I go to, gives your language a more fluent and native feel. It's conversational, dynamic, and paints a clearer picture of movement within your day. For example, after breakfast, I head to the gym for a quick workout. Feels casual yet structured. Or, every morning I head to work by 8 a.m. Communicates professionalism and routine. This phrase is simple, but adds energy and flow to your storytelling. 4. I take some time to. This is a lovely phrase that adds depth and mindfulness to your daily routine. It signals that you consciously pause to engage in something meaningful or relaxing. Try saying, I take some time to read a few pages of a book before bed. It evokes calm and intention. Or, during lunch, I take some time to relax and check in with my family. A heartwarming way to express emotional connection. It's ideal for showing that your routine isn't just busy. It's balanced and human. 5. I try to. Life isn't perfect, and this phrase gracefully reflects that. I try to expresses effort, honesty, and real-life intention. It shows you're working toward good habits, even if things don't always go as planned. For example, I try to wake up early, but sometimes I hit the snooze button, adds humor and relatability. On a more aspirational note, I try to stay off my phone in the morning and focus on my goals, shows awareness and self-discipline. It's a humble human expression that builds connection. 6. I usually end my day with, just like starting your day, the way you close it says a lot about your lifestyle. This phrase is perfect for describing your evening routine in a calm, reflective way. For example, I usually end my day with a short walk and some music suggests relaxation and wellness. Or, I usually end my day with journaling about what I learned, adds a thoughtful, growth-oriented tone. It's an excellent expression for sharing nighttime habits or wrapping up your daily story. 7. I take care of. This phrase conveys responsibility and reliability. Whether you're managing household tasks, supporting your family, or maintaining your personal well-being, I take care of shows that you're dependable. For instance, I take care of the housework before I leave for work, highlights organization, while I take care of my younger siblings in the evening, reflects empathy and dedication. It's a respectful and powerful way to express your role in daily life. 8. I get ready for. This is a flexible, everyday phrase used to describe how you prepare for different parts of your day, from professional tasks to personal moments. It's simple, fluent, and widely used. For example, after breakfast, I get ready for my online classes, clearly explains your routine with ease. Or, I usually get ready for bed around 10 p.m. Sounds smooth and natural, perfect for conversations about evening habits or winding down. 9. I squeeze in some time to. This is a fantastic phrase for busy people who still manage to prioritize what matters most. It shows you're juggling a lot, but with purpose and persistence. For example, I squeeze in some time to study English during my lunch break, shows strong motivation and smart time management. Or, even on busy days, I squeeze in some time to talk to my parents, adds warmth and emotional depth. It's real, relatable, and impressive. 10th, I wind down by. This is an elegant and expressive phrase that describes how you relax, especially at the end of a long day. It gives your routine a peaceful and mature touch. For instance, I wind down by watching a light comedy show before bed feels easy and relatable, while I wind down by doing a short meditation in the evening suggests emotional balance and self-care. It's a phrase that not only sounds fluent, but also paints a picture of serenity and intentional rest. Final thoughts. Using these smart phrases daily can completely change the way you speak English. Instead of sounding like a textbook, you'll sound natural, confident, and modern. My dear learners, don't just memorize these, practice them. Speak them out loud. Use them in your daily life. Talk about your real routine using real English, because the more real your English becomes, the more fluent you become. Challenge for you. Tonight, write down your daily routine using at least 5 of these phrases. Say them out loud. Record yourself. You'll be amazed by how professional and fluent you sound. And as always, keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next lesson here.